What's up friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to basically manage your system sound on your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone. So go ahead and do a swipe up and open up your settings. From here you want to simply tap on sounds and vibration. Then you scroll down a bit to where you find system sound. You want to tap on that. And from here, you are able to manage the volume here at the top for your system sound. And you also can manage your dial-in keypad sound, your touch interaction, your Samsung Galaxy keyboard sound, charging sound, screen lock sound. Basically, you can toggle this on and off if you basically wish, right? And that's all there is to it. Now you can easily come here and you can manage these sounds. Now, if you also click on system sound theme, you are able to find a different theme that you can select. So you can have this Galaxy theme there. You can change it to calm, you can change it to fun or retro, or you can simply leave it on the Galaxy. And that's all. You can easily go ahead and make changes to the system sound here. And in a nutshell, that's all there is to it, how you can easily manage your system sound on your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone.